Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to day 29. We don't have a huge job today, but it's pretty important. So this is what we got to do today. I'm not going to mention any names, but the last person who borrowed this and used it left it a mess. You see we got string here, tons of string, and then on each end all of this dirt and grass that he went through and hay that's picked up. So I want to clear all that out. I want to grease it, check the oil. This always needs to be oiled. This shaft needs to be oiled. So we're just going to do all that stuff. Hopefully it won't take that long, and then when the garden dries out, we'll be ready to till. This is a great example of a job that I would not use a good knife for. You're going to be hitting metal in there. It's almost impossible to avoid. You're going to chip the blade, roll the blade. That's why they make something like this. Much easier than I thought. It's just pulling out. At least it's string and not barbed wire. Okay, we got all that cleaned out. It's important to keep that out because when you drop it down, if all that's balled up in there, it'll never go down as far as it's supposed to. So you're always going to catch stuff in there as you use it, but when you're done, you got to get that out. Let me go get the grease, and that'll be our next task. We should have one right here. Yep. PTO grease fittings are never, ever easy. There we go. Little check valves on these boxes. Yep. Yep, we're good. Okay, it's all ready, and I did not forget to put a little bit of oil there. That's a just like this, when it's time to hook it up, you want this to slide on easily, you want that to slide, because you're going to be in between this and the tractor, and it's just better if everything goes smoothly. So I'm going to take this now and put it back where it lives, cover it up. Hopefully in a couple of weeks we'll break it out and actually begin to use it. So thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow on day 30. By the way, if you're on Instagram, I'm on Instagram. Find me at Small Farm Survival. I tend to have more of the survival stuff there, knives, bushcraft, stuff like that, and more of the farm stuff on the YouTube channel. But either way, feel free to find and follow me. Again, we'll see you tomorrow.